Hey everybody, Joe from the Jeep Shop. Welcome back. How are you? Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video of the latest and greatest upgrade to the Jeep Cherokee I got here. It's a 99 XJ, and what you're looking at here are the stock 5-spoke wheels that came on this Jeep. And I know the Jeep probably had a couple different wheel varieties, but this is the one that's on there now. These nice kind of silver gray 5-spokes, and they look pretty nice. I like them. But for the longest time, I've always wanted another set of wheels that I caught on I caught an old picture of a Comanche. I guess it was a Dodge advertisement, and man, these wheels looked really sweet. So without further ado, let's kind of get a look at what this looks like right now. You know, it looks pretty good. I like it. You know, always a great looking Jeep. Love the purple color. So let's go take a look and see what I've done to this Jeep. All right, you ready for it? Here it goes. I'm gonna cover your eyes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Big reveal, everybody. Now, tell me if those aren't the best wheels you've ever seen. These are the Jeep Turbine wheels that came stock with the early 80s Cherokee and the Comanche as well. These are the 10-spoke turbine wheels. Oh, look at that. Totally sets the Jeep apart. So, like any good Jeeper, sometimes you got to get products. You got to get your projects in installments. So I got the first 2 tires and rims mounted up a few weeks ago, and I just installed these 2 this afternoon. And I'm going to the shop tonight to get the other 2 rims and wheels that I got mounted up. So this is what this bad boy looks like. It looks just gorgeous. I tell you what, man, these turbine wheels are where it's at. I got a story with every one of them. This was in this guy's shed for a couple years. He had traded it from another Jeep, and he had it in his trunk. And it was out on, I guess it was that Let Go app. And then this one I found on Facebook Marketplace. This was a spare tire in this guy's car, in this guy's Jeep. Excuse me, car. Oh, that's such a sinner. This was his spare tire, and if you kind of look back here, let's get you close. It's clean. There's no dirt. This was a spare tire. So this is basically a brand new old stock rim. So let's go back here a little bit. Again, look at how beautiful she is. Like I said, I'm gonna go pick up those other wheels tonight, and then we'll do a follow-up video on this. But I just wanted to show you guys how good these wheels look on these newer Cherokees. Hell, they look good on all the Cherokees. Hell, they probably look good on this too. Oh yeah. But looks good, very nice. I believe those are 225/75 R15s. Keep that in the back of your mind. $235/75 R15s. Just gorgeous. All right, hope you enjoyed. Comment in the box if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.